guys, what's up? It's Ziya. Oh, did I just say what's up? I never say what's up. Like I'll text it, but I don't say it. Who am I? What am I doing? Hey guys, it's Ziya. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna take these barrettes out. I always used to call them berets. I was wrong for a very long time. Until like 2 weeks ago. True story. They're very, very cute. These little star ones. I just don't feel like wearing them on my head at the moment. Let's just let this be. Yeah? Look at the short hair! As you can see, this shade does not match my hands. My hands have been getting really dark. Actually, you can tell that this one is lighter than this one. You see, because this one, always in the sun when I'm driving. I can't have this. Today, I have a Sips By unboxing. If you guys don't know, Sips By, I always want to say Sips B because like that's how it is on the website when you type it in because there's no space. So my initial idea is Sips B, but no, it's Sips By Ziya. Get it together. Sips By is a subscription box in which you will get 4 different types of teas depending on your preference that equal up to at least 15 cups of tea for $15 a month. But if you don't want to spend $15, you can use my code ZIYA5 to get $5 off of your first box. So instead of 15, you will be paying 10. And I am a big tea addict. I love it. I like trying out different kinds of tea. I would always buy the multi-packs of different flavored teas, and then half of them would come out horrible, and then I just have all these boxes of tea that I don't want. But in this, I feel a little bit better about it because they're all tailored to what I want. Let's get into the box. So, ooh, that flew out of there. This is the June box. I love how the paper actually says made for Ziya. I love things with my name on it. Growing up with a name that's uncommon, you never see your name on things. So like whenever I have my name on something, I'm just like, oh, look at it's me. It's me. Anyway, I'm not gonna take a close look at that just yet. Oh, these are cute. All right, what? Drop teas. What? What is this? How cute is that? No way. Okay, so this is a loose leaf tea, but it's compacted into this little drop. That is so cute. I am so shocked. This one is caffeine free and it's a sweet peppermint flavor. I love peppermint teas. They're just so nice and cozy. I just get so excited about these things. Who gets excited about tea? Me, I do. There are 3 of these in here. It has organic raw cane sugar. Oh, okay, so this is kind of sweetened already. It says sweet peppermint. What am I thinking? Organic dried spearmint leaves, organic dried peppermint leaves, and organic peppermint oil. This is gonna be so good. I'm gonna make one of these today. I'm really, really excited for this. It is going to be a loose leaf tea, so it says that there will be sediment at the bottom of your teacup. So that was the first tea. Moving on into the next one. Lemon Yopan. I think that's how you say it. This one doesn't have much caffeine in it. I like having a mix of high caffeine and low caffeine or caffeine free teas because then like these ones are for morning, this one is for like a little pick-me-up, this one is for nighttime when I want to relax and try to get to bed and not toss and turn in my bed for 6 hours before I fall asleep. Let's see what this one says. Regionally sourced Yaopan, locally grown lemon balm, lemon peel, and lemon grass. What is Yaopan? Hey Siri? What is Yaopan? No, not Johan.
Johan do it or Jen do it. Here Van Zoodon.
Oh no, wait, is it a type of holly? Oh my gosh, it's holly. Ilex vomitoria? That does not sound nice, but that's what it's called. Commonly known as Yaopan or Yaopan holly, is a species of holly that is native to southeastern North America. So that is pretty cool. I did not know that. So it's basically a holly tea. That's cute. So we have 4 of these tea bags. I'm really excited about these. I'm most excited about these. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, this one's a little heart. Are they all hearts? Are they all different shapes? Oh, they're all hearts. I didn't realize they were hearts. How cute. I don't think you guys can see it really. Oh, and they have different flavors. They have citrus, ginger. Oh, I would have loved that one. Rose, Earl Grey. Not really sure about that. And they all have different shapes. Look at it. They all have different shaped little pods. That is really cute. Let's open it. How cute is that? It looks like a rock. You can see a little flecks of sugar in it. You can see it a little better on this side. You see? It's adorable. Oh, the smell of peppermint from this is incredible. I am going to have to boil some water right now and drink it. Next, we have this pack of loose leaf tea. I like loose leaf tea. There's something about pairing it, getting your tea into the little tea bags or into your little steeper, and it's just like a nice cozy feeling. You feel like you have your life together, like you're a real adult, even though you might be standing over there in a onesie. This is organic Kingston Earl Grey, an aromatic blend of black tea, bergamot, or is it bergamot? Words, and grapefruit. This has about 3 to 5 servings. You're supposed to use 1 teaspoon of the loose leaf tea per 8 ounces of water. That's what this says. This is high caffeine. I've never been the biggest fan of Earl Grey tea. I don't know why. I just feel like it's missing something. You know what I mean? But this one might be good. I don't know. And it's high caffeine, so that's gonna be nice too. And the last one looks pretty interesting. Strawberry blend high caffeine tea. And this has 4 servings, 1.5 teaspoons per 8 ounces of water. It's a strawberry blend tea. This juicy fruit tea blend is like eating delicious strawberries and blackberries from the garden. Packed with vitamins and without any caffeine, you can enjoy this blend any time of day, hot or iced. Ingredients: elderberries, hibiscus, apple, black currants, flavoring, blackberries, strawberries, raspberries, and wild strawberry leaves. I'm really curious to like open this and smell it. Oh, that smells so good. I wish I can give it to you guys to smell. It smells amazing. And it looks like potpourri. Not gonna lie. This is what it looks like. So here is what this tea looks like. Definitely looks very potpourri-like, right? It smells really good, and I am going to be very excited to drink it. And that is this whole video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am so excited to try all of them. I'm mostly excited for the tea drops because this just seems like such a cute little idea. Like they're tiny little drops. You just throw it in. I mean, that's the same thing you would do with tea bags, but this is more fun. Once again, that's everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already. Also, don't forget that you can always use my code ZIYA5 to get $5 off of your first box from Sips Buy. That's everything. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.